Hello, Mike.
It's good to see you, Dave.
Yeah, been a while.
It's been a while.
You want to look at the windows?
I do.
All right.
I do.
So, what we have is, if that fits, the windows fit.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
And because you're so into CAD,
That's right.
cardboard aided design,
That's right.
that's what you gotta fill.
Okay.
That'll show you what they all cover on the outside.
Okay.
So whenever you go to fill your diamond in, okay?
That's my
Whenever you
template.
go to fill your diamond in here,
Oh, you got it all marked.
yeah, but I don't know if that's exactly right.
Okay.
Because they're both different.
Okay.
Okay? When you go to, you'll see how much of it you gotta fill.
Perfect. Comes with an
See-
installation template.
Yeah. And CAD design too.
Yeah.
Okay? So, you want to do that, get the packing material. Sorry it smells like gasoline. It was stored next to me.
Quality control completed. That's good.
Yep, yep. Okay, so these are made in two parts. Let's just get one out here and we'll get a look at it, okay?
You want to go over here in the shade? I think it looks pretty awesome, don't you? I love that. I gotta stand back here and look at it. It looks good.
You're gonna have a window in there.
You'll have a window in there.
Yeah.
Okay. So then, like you said, I got some work to do to get this all filled in and working right, but that's great.
On one of the videos that I made about this, one of our viewers that always comments on your video, mine, he said, looks to me like you turned a diamond into a ring.
That's pretty clever.
Yeah.
That's pretty clever.
So, but anyway,
That looks off. Check it out. It's pretty awesome. It is awesome. It sells the whole look of it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It really does.